Welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you the tools and materials you need to start DTF sublimation hack. First, you need a sublimation printer with sublimation ink. Be sure to do some research before buying one. Second, you need a DTF film. Before buying, make sure that your printer can handle 70 grams per square meter film. Some printer cannot feed thin materials. That's why you need to research. In my case, the Epson L121 has no problem with it. Before we proceed, your sub and like can help this channel a lot. Third, you need a good quality DTF powder. Testing different brands is a good idea, but if you're still practicing, it's okay to use this one for now. Lastly, you need a heat press. Any brand will do, but if you have the money to buy a good brand, go for it. Links are posted in the description below. If you want to watch the tutorial on DTF sublimation hack, check the link below. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.